Listen and practice. Listen and practice. A. Rainy day at school. Last Friday we had a rainy day. The sky remained overcast with dark clouds since morning due to a deep depression in the Bay of Bengal. Around 9 o'clock in the morning there was a light drizzle. By 10 o'clock the sky got darker and darker. Gradually the drizzle developed into a downpour. There were frequent flashes of lightning accompanied with roars of thunder. A strong wind was blowing all the time. Soon the roads and streets went under a knee-high water. School students were caught in the incessant rain. Some of us could manage to reach school getting completely wet. Some of us had to take shelter under the sheds. It was still raining cats and dogs by 11 o'clock. The sky seemed to have developed holes. There was no sign of the rain stopping and relenting. Buses and cars were seen moving, making waves and splashing water. People were wading through the knee-high water. The attendance of students at school was very poor. Only a few teachers could turn up braving the bad weather. No class was possible, and the small number of students who came to school went back home happily. By now the rain almost stopped, but the streets looked like pools of water. Some children were found floating paper boats in the afternoon. I went back home and did the same. Thus it was quite an interesting day. The season I like most. We have 6 reasons in our part of the country, and each of them has its attractive aspects. But if I am asked to single out any one of these, I must pick out winter. Winter is my favorite season for more than a single reason. The reason why I am so fond of winter is that now the weather remains fairly charming. It is cold, but never as cold as in England or other European countries where the temperature drops much below normal, sometimes even below 0 degrees centigrade. Secondly, in winter the sky remains deep and dark blue with no fear or threat of rain preventing us from enjoying outdoor games or going for an outing. Thirdly, winter is a season of fairs and festivals. Fairs like the Book Fair, Village Fair, etc., are held in different parts of Bengal. People participate in these fairs wholeheartedly. Festivals like Christmas, English New Year's Day. Another reason why I like the season so much is the fact that now the food that we eat gets easily digested. Sleeping under the quilt is quite cozy and comfortable. Flowers and vegetables run riot in the gardens as well as markets. Delightful blossoms like the marigold, dahlia, etc., and the rose add to the attraction of the season. Lastly, but no less importantly, now our favorite game, cricket, is played so vigorously across the country.